Let's create your first capacity plan. Open the Capacity Planner module and click Planner from the sidebar. You'll see the Plan Builder. Start by selecting a group, teams, and users from the dropdown. Set your planning period, a month or a quarter. Configure working hours per day. The app automatically calculates available capacity based on working days, excluding weekends. Add team members from your Jira users. You can see each person's assigned issues, their available hours, and how much capacity remains. The system pulls issue data directly from your Jira project. Instantly see who's overloaded and who has bandwidth. Blue means plenty of availability. Yellow means filling up fast. Green means fully booked with no bandwidth left, and red means over capacity. This is the visibility that prevents last-minute surprises. Next up, the analytics dashboards that turn this data into actionable insights.